and here I'll write a button. So let's just use Twitter Bootstrap like yesterday. So class is btn I'll say info. So I did not include that yet. Yeah, I'll say show, and I'll write one more button here which says hide. Let's say. Okay, so let's use a class called show here. Let's use a class called hide here, and I want to put them inside a div. Call md, let's say 4. And now I'd like to write everything inside a container div. So div class. So these are all Bootstrap default classes. Okay, container, then a div here, and then inside the container, let's use a row. So here I close it. And let's do some indentation on here. This is here, and is on the same level. This here, this here, and this here. So let's save this. So this is jQuery methods 3.html. Okay, so that is it. Writing our code over there. So what I do is like I'll put some. Let's use some. Okay, I have to href equal to our file is in with our file styles and bootstrap dot min dot css. Okay, rel equal to style sheet. Okay, here I'll use the style. So I would like to like yesterday, let's use the top class so that we don't start it writing from the top edge. So the top here has a margin top of let's say 50 pixels, right? Yeah, I can go for CDN, but there was a problem previously. So yeah, maybe my ports are blocking them. So I didn't want to. I don't want to waste any time out there. So usually in production I use CDN. So we just downloaded. We have tried that previously, but I didn't want to waste time out there. So yeah, on desktop. So jQuery so 3, and let's see. It's here. Okay, since the p has no content over there, that's the reason it does not show up over there. So let us use a content here. So I'll go to lorem ipsum. So yeah, here is the content. So detect the content here, and I paste it here, and let's see. Right, here is it. Okay, this is the content. Now here, let's use a class here for this. Class equal to I say some content. Right, so what I do is the content. I'll say display none. Okay, so here I use two buttons actually. Why does it show only one button? Where is the other one? Most probably. Oh, hide is in. Okay, hide content. Let's say Hide is a class in Tutor Bootstrap where it hides everything. Okay, now the content is hidden using CS. Now I want to use this jQuery. So here again you can use CDN here too. Okay, since it did not work for us, so I'm using the local file. So jQuery.min.js script. So this is in scripts, I guess. Yes, scripts. Now here I'll write my uh, jQuery. Script. So here in the script, dollar document dot ready by the function. Okay, here now whenever somebody clicks on dot show content, okay, just show my content. Now whenever clicks on my oh, I'm sorry, this is click, this is function, and here I have to show the content. So dot content dot show. Okay, and same whenever somebody clicks on my hide content button, okay, dot click. Now here you gotta write function, then dot content dot hide. All right. You can always make it full screen actually if you guys can figure it out. Have issues with scroll the classroom? Okay, Taufik, just help him out. I don't know the student's interface over there. So here I'm scrolling it now. This is actual code which I've written here. What I've done is like whenever somebody clicks on show content, so show content is this class. When somebody clicks on it, show the content. When somebody clicks on hide content, the hide content. That's what it says. So let's see. Click here. It's a shows, hide, it's hides. Show and hide. Show and hide. So let me use different classes for this. I use BTN warning is again a default, a predefined class in the Bootstrap. Okay, I say show and hide. Show and hide. I can even add time here, duration. So this duration is in milliseconds. So when I say 1000, okay, this means 10 seconds or sorry, 400. Yeah, what is 400? Let's see. Okay, that is 10 seconds over there, and let's use the same time here. You see, this is the animation. Okay, that's how the show and hide works. So just remove this. So show and hide. Okay, now let's use the same example. Okay, same example. What I do here is let me use. Let's see. I'm using 2 here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's the power of a class. Like class can be multiple. Okay, now instead of this content here, I'll say content 2, let's say. Okay, that's content 2. Now what I want to do is I'll copy this. Now instead of this, showing and hiding, okay, I want to what I want to do is like I don't want, you see here, I'll show you.